Thanks for watching this week's video from Niva Health. Today we're going to talk about erectile dysfunction. But before we do, hit the subscribe button in the corner and then tap the bell so you can stay up to date every time we post a new video on our channel. So are you wondering, should I be taking an over-the-counter sexual enhancement pill, or should you guys come in and see us at Niva Health? Well, firstly, a lot of guys out there, there's a lot of unwanted side effects, and the drug world calls this, side effects. For example, severe headaches, congestion, systemic blood pressure issues. So the big difference between taking drugs and what we do is drugs are temporary. So they're there to mask the symptoms. So the symptom being ED. So most likely it's like putting a piece of black electrical tape over your red oil light in your car. So, what we do is we actually get to the root cause of your ED issue and fix the problem without drugs, without surgery. Doesn't that make so much more sense? So you're wondering what it feels like to come to Niva Health and experience an ED visit. So let me take you on this journey with us. So come on with me. So the first thing that we're gonna do is you're gonna come on in here. We're going to have a seat, and what we're going to figure out is how much blood flow is actually flowing through the penis. This is what's going to help us determine how severe the situation is. So we do a what we call a Doppler. That's going to help us measure the actual blood flow that's flowing. It's a non-invasive procedure. It's very simple. It's very quick, and from there, based on your medical history, the information that you give us on that one-on-one conversation that we're going to have in this room, we will be able to determine if you're mild, moderate, or maybe you're severe. And then from there, that will help us guide you and recommend a specific personalized care plan. From there, you can basically start your first visit usually on the first day that you come in for your analysis. So it's really simple, and the treatment itself is only about maybe 15 to 20 minutes max. So let me show you some of the things that we're actually going to go through when you come in for your ED visit. So this right here, this is our Doppler. It's basically an ultrasound, and it's non-invasive, doesn't hurt at all. And this helps us determine blood flow. So when we're determining blood flow, that tells us, if you're mild, if you're moderate, if you're severe. We'll also take a full history, get to know exactly what your symptoms are, what you're experiencing, so that we can make a good determination on how severe the condition is. From there, we're going to recommend a very personalized care plan. And our main treatment that we utilize is the Gainswave technology. So we use this machine right here. And so we're able to really explain to you exactly what's going on with your specific situation. This right here is the gold tip. From Gainswave. It's an acoustic sound wave device. It's a class 1 FDA cleared device. And basically, you're coming in and this thing is on for about 10 minutes. And what we do is we go up and down the penile shaft. And what this does is it actually increases blood flow. So the main issue that causes erectile dysfunction, here's the big secret, it's decreased blood flow. So when the blood is not flowing properly in the penis, as you age and you degenerate, or you're taking a bunch of medications and your body's dealing with stress and things like that, the amount of blood flow that flows through your penis decreases, and that really affects erection, sexual pleasure, being able to finish, and all these maintain an erection and all these functions. So by treating you with our Gainswave technology, we're able to break up all the plaque that's in the blood vessels in your penis. And basically what that does is it basically reverses time. So it's the anti-aging for your penis, so that you can start performing the way you were performing when you were a lot younger. And we're noticing that usually after several treatments, we start noticing, we get positive feedback that, hey, I'm noticing some really nice changes. And then from there, we actually encourage our patients to, after they come in from their first visit, to go home and try to have sex. And so that's really the goal. And so our success rate is super high. I can very proudly say that we really we don't want to overpromise, but I can tell you that we stick by you until you get the results that you come in for. And so it's really about making sure that you end up getting the kind of result that you want here. Of course, not every single person is a candidate. Some people do wait too long, where it gets too degenerative and this non-surgical drug-free option is no longer an option. But when you come in, we will be honest with you and we'll let you know if you are going to be an excellent candidate for an ED patient here at Niva Health. If you haven't already, tap the subscribe button in the corner and then tap the bell to get new videos from Niva Health when they're available.